Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. And after a very long time we are trying to post the daily video recommendations for nickel market. So many traders have requested for our daily video presentations for nickel, and in the beginning of this contract we will try to post it continuously. So the chart you're seeing is 7-minute chart. I had decreased the scale so that we can have some understanding on the support, resistance and price action. In this contract the price found it difficult to clear 1060. Okay, so the price could not clear 1060, so that resulted in a failure. So the price came down till 1000. Then gave a bounce back, and in between that we could see that the price had various resistance at 1040. So the price again came down till 1000 but could not move up or move above 1040, so it's struggling within the 1020. So this is the entire price action that had happened in this contract. So the price is expected to open somewhere near or above 10,023, above the Friday's close. So it's a very close range for nickel traders in the opening of this contract. A few things should be noted. One thing, if the price is coming down below 10,020, you can go for selling on a breakdown by placing stop loss, because once you have gone for selling, you need to place stop loss just you can, to be on the safer side, you can place an intermediate stop loss at 1027, or you need to go for stop loss above 1040. So this is one way of doing entering into trade. The other way is if the price is not coming down, if it is testing 1030s or 32, you can go for selling by placing stop loss above 1040s. So this is another way you can still maintain your selling side, because we want to stay along with the downside. And if you find that the price is constantly staying above 1040, then there are very much chances that the price this is a risky area where you are going to turn from selling to buying to push the price towards 10,060. Of course, this 10,060 is going to be the key area for this contract. So these are the other areas or intermediate zones. But the key area, you can see this is the key area 1060 for this contract. So two things can happen. One, the price will struggle and reach 10,060, or without reaching 10,060, if the trend and selling is strong, it will continue its selling to reach 9,060. So this is a very big zone, 9,060. So let's see how the price is moving. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.